John Goss knows what it takes to win Bathurst.
When you're locked in the battle of motor racing, you need a good car. And Falcon's always been a good friend to me. It's dependable and strong and handles well. Particularly when you're looking for the quick way through a corner. It's a matter of front suspension geometry and good engineering design, and Falcon's got it. In fact, they've probably won more than half the classic endurance races in the country. You know, there's a little bit of Bathurst in every Ford Falcon. Think about it.
Ford Falcon. Going Ford is the going thing.
New Falcon hardtop. Tough enough to get through when you have to get through. Come hell or high water. New Falcon hardtop. With a choice of powerful 6s or high-performance V8s. New frontiers of style, safety, handling, performance. Now, with standard disc brakes and new inertia reel seat belts. New frontiers of driving. New Falcon hardtop, the bold one of the Falcon breed. Another of the new frontiers from Ford.